This video covers various triads, arpeggios, starting on the note A. See, in the right hand, you'd start here at A. You'd have A major. Well, I can change these here, 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 here. There's several different triads. This covers all those in this fingering. So this is actually an alternate fingering for the other triad fingerings that I told you don't change. Well, these are the other fingerings that we're covering. And the right hand, now the pattern for this is you're going to start out with A major, typical A major triad here. And then we're going to change the upper note in the middle, the upper middle note I should say, go up a whole step. So we're going to go to here, fourth finger on the right hand, here. And then we're going to change the lower middle note, we're going to go up a half step, use third finger in the left hand here. Then we're going to change the upper note, upper middle note, go down a half step to here, still fourth finger in the note. Then we're going to change the lower middle note a whole step and go down here, use fourth finger in the left hand here. Then change the upper middle note a half step down here, third finger in the right hand. And then back to where we started. It's the same pattern we're doing in all the others. You're just alternating these two middle notes going up and down. So it's just... Then the upper middle note, go up a whole step. Now the lower middle note, up a half step. And then the upper middle note, go down a half step. Now the lower middle note, go down a whole step. Now the upper middle note, go down a half step. And then go back to where you started. You can do the two octaves. This is a long one because you're doing so many triads. I typically just do the 4 octaves, 4 notes per beat, but you could do shorter ones, 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat, or 3 octaves, 3 notes per beat. I don't recommend that one. It's either 2 or 4. But take it slow, and if you're starting to start where you'd start the A major triad here. Make sure you accent on the beat. Through the whole pattern like that. It's good exercise. It will help to drill these things into your fingers and your muscle memory, so when you run across them in pieces, you'll be able to play them pretty easily actually.